Hey y'all, back at it again here on the 360, getting ready to put freeze out plugs in it. I've already got the two in the front end. I thought I'd make a video show you how I do it. First, you want to go in, clean these holes up, just clean out any of the little remaining debris that could be in there. Also, somebody went and put oil all over the side of the block. I wonder who that was. Okay, now, when you are doing this, you want to make sure, of course, to clean the holes up. You also want to make sure, like I did on this one here, use some sealant. That's how I like to do it. I use a little sealant around the edge of the freeze out plug, hammer the freeze plug in, and we're done. I've got these really cool brass freeze out plugs from Maladon. They look fantastic. And so far, they're fitting really good over there on the 360. So, let me get this one prepared. Now, you can put the sealant on the edge here of this, or you can put it into the lip of the hole. Either way, it doesn't. It's, that's one of those personal preference things. Me, I think I'm going to just put it on the edge here. Not a whole lot, just a little. So we'll just put a little bit there around the edge, like so. Just a little finger painting, I guess. All right. Then come back. You want to use a socket that fits the freeze out plug really well. Okay. And then you want to hammer. You want to try to do this and hammer the freeze plug in just as straight as humanly possible. Okay. Now, another thing is make sure you feel of the edge and make sure that the freeze out plug is just below the edge here of the opening. Okay? Just below the edge. So, do it one more time, okay? No big deal. Now, these nice brass freeze out plugs, I got them as a complete set from Summit Racing. You can do the same if you like. They weren't terribly expensive. If you've watched my channel before, you know I'm not going to spend a whole lot of money on any of this stuff. So just set it right there like so. Okay. I like being able, I see the side, I like to be here at the side and watch. Yeah, watch the freeze out plug descend just beneath the edge of the opening. Okay, I like to watch it go down through there so I can keep track of it. I'm using this is a 1 1/8 socket to hammer that in. The smaller freeze plugs they use a 1 3/16. So, but you can use a piece of pipe, you can use all kinds of things. There's even probably some specialized drivers for these. So, it's just up to you. Okay? So, anyway, all right. I'm going to put the rest of these in. And if you got any questions about this or any of the other things you've seen in any of the other videos, just feel free to, you know what to do, comment down below. And I'll do my very best to answer your questions and help you out as much as I possibly can. You notice I'm using, oh, one more thing. You notice I'm using the Ultra Copper, okay, Permatex gasket sealant. They used to say on the package how much it's rated for as far as temperature, but it doesn't anymore. It used to, I think it was like 750, 800 degrees or something like that. So way more than what this will see. But you want to use something like that. You know, regular blue glue, not bad. The black adhesive sealant, that's still pretty good. This even better. So, but anyway, I just thought I'd pass all this along. Hopefully you can use this and use this information. Okay. But thank you very much for watching, and have a great one. Okay. Oh, and thank you so much for subscribing and the thumbs ups and the shares and all of that. So thank you very much for all of that. God bless. Have a great one.